Quahog looks beautiful from up here.
Yeah, this thing handles pretty smooth, doesn't it? Feels right. Feels kind of like something I was meant to fly, you know?
Hey, there's Quahog Harbor.
Look at all those old naval vessels.
Yeah, look at them all.
Whoa, easy, Quagmire. What are you doing?
I don't know, Peter. It's like something just awakened inside me. I can feel my grandfather's Japanese blood coursing through my veins.
Quagmire, what the hell's the matter with you?
What are you, nuts?
Shut up, Round Eye!
Oh my God, stop, Quagmire! I don't want to die!
Please don't kill us!
デココココンの誇りと名誉